to a new video, and this video is gonna be a makeup tutorial. It's better to done it on Halloween, but of Harley Quinn. I don't know, I just thought I posted it on my YouTube Instagram, and I asked on Instagram if people wanted it, and they said yeah, so we're gonna do it. So let's get started. Hopefully I have checked the angle on that, so you should be able to see, because my mirror's right here, and you should be able to see what I'm doing, but I will keep on looking back and forward as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, because I didn't think about this, I need the actual picture, but my iPad's just coming on now, so while waiting for that to come on, I'm gonna just do my natural pretty much every day, but it's not that long makeup. And yeah, so first of all I get the concealer and mind the brush, but the blending brush thing, and if I go further up it's because this mirror's far away, and yeah, and I just put it wherever I need it. The funny thing is the camera's like up close, but the actual mirror isn't. I need a new one of this. This will be so much better if I had like people like asking me questions, but no. But yeah, we just massage it. I am not gentle with my skin, but who cares? Comment down below if you think this is a better angle than last time, because you might be able to see more things, because I've only done one makeup tutorial, and that was just my everyday makeup. I think I'm gonna probably look in down here as well, just to blend, but most of the time it's gonna be here. But yeah, that's it, and I'll come back in a second for you. Just gonna get the picture up, and yeah. Okay, I don't know where the brush I normally use to like blend in that, but we're gonna just try with this brush. I don't know, but it's just like that, so it should work, but we will see. So the first thing I do, this is pretty much till my normal makeup routine. I get that, a minute, I get that colour and that colour, just mix them both together and then put it on like a base. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Hopefully, I think you can see. I just keep on doing that up until the colour I actually want. You can't really see it. So this is pretty much just a base of, before I put the actual makeup on. So that's it. We're pretty much just in the basics right now, but I'll do the highlight in that now. So first of all I put blusher, and I'm going to try and use this brush even though it's broken, but we will try. I put like a bit on, it's going to fall off. I just blend it and then do it again and put some on, and then I put highlight on. So it's this highlight I'm using from Superdrug, and that's from Superdrug as well. They're all from the same brand, I think. Pretty much most of the stuff I have is from Revolution, because I love their makeup. But yeah, then we get, so that one looks like that. Then we get this brush, and we just put it all over. Whoops, that's way too much. But oh well. We put a bit on my nose. Yeah. And then for some reason I find like one side of my face glows more. So I'm just like, I put more on one side. It probably doesn't, but that's what I think. But yeah. Okay, first of all, I'm going to probably do this in this camera just so I can see up close. I'll move it a bit and then I'll move it back. But first of all, we're going to do the waterline because she has her waterline done and just all black. So, guys, I'm actually going to come back, and so I'll come back and I might have darker eyes than before. So see you in a sec. It's not the best, but that's my eyes. Well, the waterline. So the next thing we're gonna do is the eyeshadow. And this bit is pretty easy. I tried to do it before, of course, because it was uploaded like on Instagram. But what I did is do the blue first. So I've got this palette. It's got all them colours. I'm going to use that colour there. And yeah, so we'll use this brush, this end of the brush. You just get some on, you need quite a lot. But yeah, I'm going to do it in this mirror again. But I'll move across so you can actually see. And then the way I did it is you just go like that and then drape it down a bit. Like I said, you need quite a lot. It depends how low you want it, in a way. But yeah. Okay, so that's that eye. It's not perfect. I need to wipe a bit. Okay, sorry guys, I ran out of memory storage. Hopefully it won't do it again. But we've got this bit. I'm just like shaping it and all that. So on to the next one. I don't have a bright red, but how I did it, I mixed, if I can remember, I mixed like them two colours together. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, I'm gonna use this brush this time. First of all, like I said before, I'm just doing on another eye. Base. And just take it down. It's pretty much like an eye drop. Yeah, that one's too further down. But yeah. So we rub that bit off. It's not the best, but you have to learn to perfection. It's like made my face red now. But oh well. Because we've rubbed that side off, we need to do the thing again. I like take forever when I'm like actually doing makeup, like putting thought into it. But I want to try and actually do like more makeup tutorials and like that. That was my sister, sorry guys. But I want to do more.
What are you doing?
Okay guys, sorry about that, I'm back. I just put more highlight on because it came off, and yeah. So the next bit, that is pretty much the look, but of course we need to do the love heart and all that, and the lip, but that is pretty much the main look. So how I do this is I'm gonna get this mirror and just draw a love heart. Hopefully you can see. It's not the best, or she has her smaller, but that, I'm not a makeup artist at all. I'm not even good at makeup. So yeah, that's all we can get from that. We learn while we go. But I hope that's okay for you. I don't even know what I'm doing. So the last, with photo, I need to put this on, so I'll put this on now. I like my eyelashes to be really long. They are already long, but I like them really long. But yeah. So, the last and final thing, that love heart is like so rubbish. The last and final thing before we sum up this video and I need to tidy up my makeup is the lipstick. The original red lipstick. So I've got the reddest lipstick what I have, and this is the one I'm using. It's from Tanya Burr in Superdrug. See this? Look like a clown for a minute. Okay, so let's get into the outro. Okay, so it's not the best look of all the makeup looks people have done of this, but I tried. Hope you enjoyed, and like the video if you liked it. Comment down if you want more makeup tutorials. I don't know what ones I can do because my natural everyday makeup isn't that out there or that good. I don't know. But we will try. This is what this channel is about. Trying and doing your best and just be you, love yourself and do whatever you want. If it's not illegal. Yeah. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it and you want more content from me. Sorry I haven't uploaded nearly 2 weeks, I think. It's been a week, but nearly 2 weeks. But this will be up today, if you've seen it today, or Sunday. So I hope you enjoy and I'll see you next time. Bye!